In this video, I am going to show you how to set your tax settings for your product, services, and events. From your View Profile page, go to the My Dashboard menu on the left and click My Store. In the sub-menu, scroll down till you see Tax Settings and click on that. On this page, you can add your tax rate. Now, we at BeVitality are not tax experts, we're not tax lawyers, and we're not tax professionals, so we can't give you tax advice. However, we can point you in some useful directions. To start with, at the top, there's a link to a great article on the site Etsy about tax nexus and how to determine what your tax nexus is. Now, where you have to charge tax for what states is based on a legal term called nexus. That article on Etsy talks a lot about that. In general, as a small holistic practitioner, you're probably only going to have tax nexus in one state or maybe in two at the most. For example, if you have an office in California, that means you have a connection to California and you have nexus. So you probably are going to want to charge taxes in California for some items such as products. Let's say that you decide you are consulted with a tax professional, and because you happen to have an office, a second office in Florida, where you do some work sometimes, you need to charge taxes in Florida. Well, it's really easy to do that. All you do is click Add a Tax Rate. On this page, click Add a Tax Rate. You can simply add your tax rate. Click on this field, and you can either type it in as a percentage, like 8%, or you can set it as a decimal point, like 0.08, which is the same as 8%. Let's say our tax rate is 6% for Florida. We add 6%. We scroll down to where it says State Province and we click on Florida. Then we click Submit. Now you'll see your new tax rate added into the tax settings. If you decide that you don't need a tax rate for one of the states that you've added, click Delete. Now it's important to know that you're not going to have to collect taxes in all 50 states. You only collect taxes in the places where you have nexus in. Again, read this article here by Etsy, and if you still have questions, you can talk to an accountant or a CPA.